Good evening, everyone. I'm Riley King, and welcome to this evening news report right here on the Riley King Network. Let's begin. Late New Hampshire House Speaker Dick Hinch died of COVID-19, autopsy shows. Hinch had faced questions about COVID-19 cases that arose from meeting last month. An autopsy revealed newly elected New Hampshire House Speaker Dick Hinch died of COVID-19. Officials with the New Hampshire Attorney General's office announced on Thursday. Authorities released the results after receiving authorization from Hinch's next of kin, officials said. Hinch, 71, was elected Speaker last week as he presided over an outdoor session of the House on the University of New Hampshire campus. He died on Wednesday, yesterday. Governor Chris Sununu reflected on Hinch and called him a tireless leader and incredibly advocate for his community, and as he will, without a doubt, be very sorely missed. Hinch had been facing questions about cases of the coronavirus that arose within the Republican caucus after a mass gathering in Manchester last month, and his plans to try to return to in-person committee work and House session next year. The Republican represented Merrimack for 7 terms. Through a news release from the Attorney General's office, the family requested their privacy continue to be respected. State health officials are not releasing information about whether Hinch was tested before his death, and they have not said when his first day of symptoms started. Officials said they are conducting contact tracing efforts. The House is scheduled to meet on January 6th to elect a new speaker. And that is it for this evening news report right here on the Riley King Network. I hope you all have a great rest of your evening, and I'll see you back here tomorrow for another news report. Good night and goodbye, everyone.